Denny's Roofing LLC is a roofing company that is passionate about helping you get the job done right. We take pride in our work and are committed to building the best residential and commercial roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado. We work hard to give every customer their money's worth, and make sure they're happy with our services. We're not just a roofer, we're an experienced team of professionals who know how to make the process of replacing your roof as stress-free as possible. We're the experts you can trust with your roofing projects, no matter what they are. We also offer insurance claim assistance to ensure that your roof is repaired quickly and correctly. Whether you're looking to get a new roof or repair an existing one, we'll take care of it all, and we'll do it right the first time. We offer a 5-star guarantee, meaning that 93% of our business comes directly from referrals, a testament to the quality service we provide. If you have any questions about your roof, or what we can do for you, don't hesitate to reach out. Call us at 970-275-4012. You can learn more about our other services by visiting our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Dacono-roofing-company. So, if you're looking for a company that can handle roof replacement in Dacono, Colorado, look no further than Denny's Roofing LLC.